Good morning, dear children, and welcome to EVS class, dear children. Dear children, if you remember, last time we have studied about the different senses. There are total 5 different senses and 5 sense organs. Dear children, which are the 5 senses? 5 senses are hearing, sight, smell, touch and taste. And what are the 5 sense organs, children? Ears, eyes, nose, skin and tongue. Now, today we are going to learn about the 3 different senses. If you will identify the first picture, children, in this first picture, how you will come to know that your mama is cooking your delicious food before looking at back? And how you will come to know the fragrance of the flowers? And children, how you will come to know that the fire is burning at the back? Yes, you will know all these things with the help of the smell. And the smell can be identified with the help of which body part? Nose. Yes, children. Now we'll move towards the second body part, that is ears. Now children, how you will come to know that the alarm is ringing in the morning? And children, how you will come to know that the bell is ringing, that the person is playing with the guitar? How do you will come to know all these things? Children, you will come to know all these things with the help of your which sense organ? Ears. Ears help us to hear all the things which happen throughout the world. Now, the last sense organ which we will study today, that is eyes. Children, how you will come to know the rainbows are appearing in the sky? How you will come to know that the good cartoon character is coming on the screen of the television? And children, how you will be able to read the books? So all these things happen with the help of the eyes. Eyes help us to see throughout the world what is happening in our world. So dear children, today we are going to learn the 3 different sense organs. Which are they? Eyes, nose and ears. Now children, we have total 5 sense organs. Which are they? Eyes, nose, skin, tongue and ear, children. So we have 5 sense organs and we have 5 senses also, children. Which are they? The sense of sight, children, sense of smell, sense of touch, sense of taste and sense of hearing, children. So we have 5 sense organs, children, and we have 5 senses too. Now the first sense organ which we will study, that is eyes. Now children, eyes are the very important sense organ of our body. Without eyes, we are not able to look what is happening in our world. We have 2 eyes. Now, how you will come to know in the first picture what the boy is doing? So, boy is watching TV through his eyes. Now, in second picture, children, how the boy is showing the rainbow is appearing in the sky. So, with the help of his eyes, he is seeing that the rainbow is appearing in the sky. Now, children, in third picture, you will see one boy is observing a bee keenly. Keenly means through a good concentration, he is observing that what the bee is doing on the tree. Now in fourth picture, how the boy is reading his book. So the boy is reading his book with the help of eyes. Now children, we will move towards the next sense organ, that is nose. Nose help us to identify the smell, whether it is a good smell or whether it is a bad smell. How you will come to know that the fragrance of the perfume is a good, or how you will come to know the smell of the onion? So all these things will come to know with the help of the nose. Nose appears on our face. There is only one nose on our face. Everybody has only one nose. Now we will see the different examples of nose. In the first picture, we will come to know that the smell of the socks is very bad. See how the boy is covering his nose. Why he is covering his nose? Because what the socks he have removed from his foot, they are smelling very bad. That's why he is covering his nose, children. Now in second picture, children, you will be able to see the girl is taking the fragrance of flowers. She is having a flower in her hand and she is keeping the flower in front of her nose. Now in third picture, children, see how how one girl is observing the smell of the food, whether it is delicious or not. That's why she is keeping her nose in front of the food which is cooked. Now in fourth picture, children, you will be able to see the girl is observing the fragrance of the perfume. So nose also plays a very important role in our body. Now the last organ which we will study, children, that is ears. Ears help us to hear all the things throughout the world. How you will come to know when the bell rings in the school, when the class gets over, when the school gets over? With the help of your ears only you will be able to judge that the class is over. Now the second class will start. Now the break is there. Now the break will get over. Now the school has completed its timing. So all these things will be judged with the help of your ears. Now how many ears do we have, children? We have two different ears. Now in the first picture you are able to see that the boy is listening the music. How he is hearing the music? With the help of the ears. Now in second picture, children, you will see that the alarm clock alarms in the morning, है ना, जब हमें morning में उठना रहता है, we used to set the alarm in the mobile or we have the alarm clock. So we are able in the morning to get up because we used to hear the alarm is ringing, है ना. Third, one teacher is teaching, playing the song and the students are listening what she is teaching and they are able to listen with the help of their ears. Now in fourth picture, one girl is standing and she is closing her ears. Why? Because the sound which is coming through the aeroplane, flying aeroplane, it is very different. That's why she is closing her ears. Now in fifth picture, one boy is in the market and he is able to listen the different vehicle sound. That's why he is also closing his ears. Now children, we will do few questions based on today's topic. Now children, first question, which sense organ is used for reading? Which sense organ is used for reading a book? For reading a book, which sense organ is used, children? Eyes. Eyes is the sense organ. The sense organ which is used for reading the book, that is eyes. Now children, in second slide, again another question. Which sense organ is used to identify that someone is on the door? So if someone is on the door means he will able to ring the bell from doorbell. So it will be able to identify with the help of our ears. Now in third question, children, Which sense organ is used to identify that the toys are soft? When we will touch the toys, then only we will able to identify. So it will be identified with the help of our skin. Now the next sense organ, children. Which sense organ is used to identify the fragrance of the perfume? Which sense organ is used to identify the fragrance of perfume, children? That is nose. And the last one, children. Which sense organ is used to identify that the food is tasty and yummy? So, tongue. Tongue sense organ will help you to identify the taste of the food. So children, this is all about today's topic. Today we have learnt about the 3 different organs, that are eyes, nose and ears. Children, you try to identify the different things. Which sense organ is used? Till then, take care. Bye-bye.